Hi, my name is Avneeth. I'm going to show you how to make lip scrub. The ingredient is a spoon and 2 tablespoons of sugar in a container, Vaseline and food coloring, rose water and honey. First, put 1 teaspoon of Vaseline in the sugar. Put in some rose water, can you see? Then put honey in it. Now add the last ingredient is my favorite color, red. Now mix. Can you see it? Mix it very well, store it and put it in the fridge. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe my video. Bye! See you next time!